The Georgian era was a period of extraordinary opulence, elegance, and craftsmanship that spanned from 1714 to 1830, under the reigns of four kings named George. The Georgian style is marked by the use of symmetry, bold lines, and luxurious materials such as mahogany, brass, silver, and gold. The furniture and cabinetry of the English Georgian era are particularly remarkable for their intricate details, impeccable craftsmanship, and stunning hardware. Cabinet hardware played a significant role in the Georgian style, not only as a functional component but also as an essential decorative element that added sophistication and elegance to cabinets, dressers, and desks. Over the past few decades, the Georgian era has regained popularity among designers, architects, and homeowners who seek to incorporate timeless and classic elements into contemporary design. In this article, we will explore the various types of cabinet hardware used during the Georgian era and their influence on current home design trends. We will also discuss the advantages of using Georgian-style cabinet hardware in modern interior design. Here is a list of the various types of cabinet hardware during the English Georgian era. 1. Drawer pulls were commonly used in the Georgian era to open and close cabinet doors and drawers. They were typically made of brass, silver, or gold and featured intricate designs, such as floral patterns, geometric shapes, and animal motifs. Drawer pulls were attached to the cabinet with screws or nails and were available in several sizes and heights, depending on the type of cabinet and the size of the drawer. 2. Cabinet knobs were another popular type of cabinet hardware during the Georgian era. They were smaller than drawer pulls and were often used in multiples to create an elegant symmetrical design. Cabinet knobs were also made of brass, silver, or gold and came in a variety of shapes and designs, such as domes, spheres, and ovals. Some cabinet knobs also featured intricate hand-painted enamel details and were highly prized as decorative pieces. 3. Escutcheons were decorative plates that were used to cover the keyholes of cabinet doors and drawers. They were typically made of brass, silver, or gold and were designed to match the other types of cabinet hardware. Escutcheons often featured intricate engraved designs, such as flowers, leaves, and vines, and were an essential decorative element of the Georgian style. 4. Cabinet hinges were less decorative but equally important components of Georgian cabinets. They were made of brass or iron and were used to secure the cabinet doors to the cabinet frame. Cabinet hinges in the Georgian era were often plain in design and featured a simple yet elegant shape that complemented the overall aesthetic of the cabinet. The Georgian era has had a lasting impact on the world of design, with many designers and architects drawing inspiration from its timeless elegance and exquisite craftsmanship. Georgian-style cabinet hardware, in particular, has become a popular choice for homeowners who seek to incorporate classic and elegant elements into their modern interiors. Here are some defining characteristics of Georgian-style cabinet hardware. 1. Brass was the most commonly used material for cabinet hardware during the Georgian era, and it remains a popular choice for contemporary designers and homeowners. Brass hardware adds warmth and elegance to cabinets and complements a wide range of color palettes, from neutrals to bold hues. Brass hardware is also durable and easy to maintain, making it an excellent choice for high-traffic areas such as kitchens and bathrooms. 2. Symmetry was a defining characteristic of Georgian design, and it remains a popular trend in contemporary interiors. The use of multiple identical cabinet knobs or drawer pulls on a cabinet creates a sense of balance and harmony that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. Achieving symmetry in cabinet hardware placement can create the illusion of a larger space and add visual interest to otherwise plain cabinets. 3. The intricate designs and patterns found in Georgian-style cabinet hardware are often replicated in contemporary design. Hand-painted enamel details, floral patterns, and animal motifs are just a few of the popular designs seen in modern cabinet hardware. Adding intricate designs to cabinet hardware can add visual interest and elevate the overall aesthetic of a space. 4. Mixing and matching cabinet hardware is another trend that has gained popularity in recent years. Georgian-style hardware provides an excellent foundation for mixed hardware, as the designs and materials can be easily paired with contemporary hardware styles such as minimalist or industrial designs. Mixing and matching cabinet hardware can create a sense of texture and depth in a space and offers an opportunity to express personal style. Furthermore, here are a few advantages of using Georgian-style cabinet hardware in modern interior design. 1. Georgian Style Cabinet Hardware is timeless and elegant, making it a wise investment for homeowners who seek to create a classic and sophisticated interior. Georgian Style Hardware will never go out of style, which means that homeowners can continue to incorporate it into their interiors for years to come. 2. Georgian Style Cabinet Hardware is often made with high-quality materials such as brass, silver, or gold. These materials are durable and long-lasting, ensuring that the hardware will not only be stylish but also functional. 3. Georgian Style Cabinet Hardware is versatile and can be incorporated into a variety of interior design styles, from traditional to contemporary. The timeless elegance of Georgian design means that it can complement almost any existing decor and color palette. 4. Investing in Georgian-style cabinet hardware can add value to a home, as it indicates a level of sophistication and attention to detail. Additionally, high-quality materials such as brass and silver can increase the value of a home and provide an impressive return on investment. The Georgian era is widely regarded as one of the most elegant and sophisticated periods in design history. Georgian-style cabinet hardware, characterized by its intricate designs, high-quality materials, and timeless elegance, has had a lasting impact on contemporary design trends. Incorporating Georgian-style cabinet hardware into modern interiors offers a sense of timeless elegance, versatility, and investment value. Additionally, Georgian-style hardware provides an opportunity to express personal style and create a unique and sophisticated interior. Be sure to like THS video, and click to subscribe to see more content.